2017 Ford F-250 6.7 Power Stroke Platinum. Brand new Michelin tires on it. Airbag suspension in the rear. Completely rust free. No major dings or scratches. New Michelin tires. Thing's in great shape. 5% tint. I mean, but a beautiful truck. Come on the other side. This thing does have the CP4 disaster kit done on it. Power folding mirrors. Flawless truck. Come on in here to the inside. Dual sunroof, moonroof, black leather interior, rear heated seats. It's no rips or tears anywhere on the interior. Super clean. Heated, cooled front seats, dual climate control, navigation. Got all your cameras, front sensing cameras, rear cameras. Absolutely flawless truck. 202,000 miles. We're located here in Winchester, Virginia. You can inquire on our TikTok or on our website. Thanks, guys.